Hello friends, I am Himanshu Pawar. Recently I learned to solve the Rubik cube. It was one of the item in my bucket list. This is unshuffled cube. So I will use 8355 method of solving the Rubik cube. So unlike the CPOP method, this is a simple method. In CPOP method, you have to remember lengthy algorithms. In this method, you don't have to remember any algorithm. So in this method, 8355 method, let us first shuffle these cube. The cube is now shuffled. So you will see all sides it is shuffled now. So I will hold the orange side on the bottom while solving the cube and the red side on the top. So as per the 8355 method, in first step we solve the 8 pieces in the first step, then 3 pieces, the side pieces in the next step, and then 5 pieces and 5 pieces on the next step. So actually in this cube there are 26 different pieces. There are 6 center pieces. The center pieces have single color. Then we have 12 side pieces. This is side piece, and they have 2 colors. Here it is green and yellow. Here it is yellow and blue, like that. And we have got 8 corner pieces. And corner pieces has 3 colors. Here yellow, green and red. So we'll start. I will solve the cube in front of the camera. So I have made the cross at the bottom with matching center pieces here. So now I will try to solve these corner pieces. So this piece I have to since this is has got a orange color, the orange color should go down. So this corner piece should go at the bottom. So first of all, apart from orange color, there are blue color and yellow color. So we will match with the correct edge. See here, blue color and blue color is here. Sorry, blue color and blue color is here, and yellow color. So which is matching with this edge, and this piece has to come here. So we will use a net and fish methodology to bring this piece here. So this is our fish and this is our net. So we have to catch that fish into the net. So so whenever this piece, the orange color should be facing you, and here also I am facing it towards myself. So whenever it is on the right side, we'll move it to the left while solving the piece, and whenever it is on the left side, I will move it to the right. So here I am moving it to the left, then bringing the net up, catching the fish and bringing the fish down. So here you will see now it is at the correct position. The yellow and yellow color are matching, and blue and blue color are matching. So now you will see this as per the 8355 method, the A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 pieces are at the correct position. They are placed at the correct position, and also the center pieces are also matching. And I have left the one piece unsolved, and that we will solve in the later steps. Now the next step is to align these 1, 2 and 3 side pieces at the second layer. For that purpose, we will try to locate these side pieces at the top layer, which does not have the color from the top. So this is one of the piece, white and green. So I will align that white with the white. So I align here, and the another side, the green is here. So this is the correct edge for that purpose. It has to come here. So I will move that piece away from that edge, bring the right side up, bring it again back, bring it down. So while doing this corner piece has got disturbed. So again I will follow the same first step. Now you see the green and white is aligned, and the corner piece also has come back. Now you will see all 3 edges, 1, 2 and 3 edges are properly aligned. I have not aligned this piece purposefully, and my second step in the 8355 has been completed. Now we have to align these edges from this edge that is remaining, and then 4 edges from the top. For that purpose, this one is here, the top edge. This is here, and this one is here, and one is here. So those are 5 pieces you have to align. So now this top layer, edge pieces on the top layer I have aligned. Yellow is matching with yellow, red, green red, white red, and top red, blue, top blue. So now we are only, and this side piece also is aligned. Yellow, green also is aligned. So I have aligned the 5 pieces. Now this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 remaining pieces are to be aligned. So for that purpose, so this is our park. We will use this piece, space as a parking place, and we will bring it to the correct place. So this is green and yellow. So green and yellow should come here. So it is now aligned. And now here the next piece is parking at the parking place is white and blue. So white and blue should come here. So it is now aligned. Now next is white and green. White and green should come here. And the last piece, now it is a yellow and blue. Yellow and blue should come here. See, now it is aligned. The whole cube is now aligned. So I have solved this piece. I solved the Rubik cube using 8355 method. I solved the Rubik cube using 8355 method in about 5 minutes. The world record time for solving the Rubik cube is less than 4 seconds. I will share the link of the video from which I learned to solve the Rubik cube in my video. I have got two YouTube IDs, Himanshu Power _1 and Himanshu Power _2. The H and P in the IDs are capital letters. Thanks for watching this video and happy cubing.